Start. It is true that in the instant case there is no agreement available on record to indicate that the purchase was made for the purpose of export stop. In the absence of the said document, it is not possible to specifically state as to whether it was clear that the sale or purchase between the parties, that is the dealer and the purchaser, was inextricably linked with the export of goods stop. It is only when a claim is established, the claim under section 5 within bracket 3 of the CHT Act would be justified stop. At the time of auction sale, when the appellant purchased the tea from the dealer, there is nothing on record to show that a defined stand was taken by the purchaser that the purchase of tea was for the purpose of occasioning an export for which an agreement has been entered into stop. Since no such claim was made at that stage, sales tax was realized, which was paid to the government by the dealer stop. However, there is a clear finding recorded by the assessing authority that the export documents were verified by him with the accounts from which it is indicated that the entire exports were effected pursuant to the prior contract or prior orders of the foreign buyers, and that the export sales are supported by bills of lading, export invoices and such other valid documents stop. In the light of the said findings, the assessing authority allowed the exemption, clearly holding that the claim for exemption was genuine stop. The next two authorities, namely the appellate authority and the tribunal, agree with the said findings, and there does not appear to be any serious challenge to the said findings before the said two authorities stop. So far as the refund is concerned, the assessing authority, the appellate authority, as also the appellate tribunal have clearly recorded a finding that when a dealer has paid the tax in excess of what is due from him, it has to be refunded to the dealer in as much as the dealer is entitled to receive a refund if tax is paid in excess of what was due from him stop. Referring to the provisions of section 44 of the KGST Act, the Deputy Commissioner, that is appellate authority, also held that it is the seller or the dealer on whom the burden lies to prove that the sale is for fulfilling an order of the foreign buyer, since section 5 within bracket 3 refers only to the foreign buyer stop.